Now, you people are not doing homework, and that increases my blood pressure, because then what I teach, I already told you to plot a graph. Now my explanation will begin with explanation on the graph, and you smart people have not done homework. What to do? Last question was x equal to t square. Am I right?
Become a half parabola graph.
Yeah. And you are asked to plot a graph of x versus t. You are supposed to prepare a table Tn x equal to t square 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Whatever I am writing, is it readable to you? Or
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay, so it goes up to 16, and the graph, if I put t versus x, just hold on. Hello? Apurva, I'm in a class. Can you call? Yeah. No, there is no. Okay. Then you have to bear it with that. And who's the teacher? Neeta madam. So you ring her. Okay, you ring her again, that to let you in. Okay, you are not able to join the meeting. अच्छा वो MCB वाला. Okay, never mind. Abhi you have to bear with that. Okay. Today it will sort it out. There are many issues in connection with that. Okay. How many class I have to keep? Okay. This is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and this will go, let's say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Okay. 0, 0, first reading, 1, 1. So this is 1 and this is 1.
The recording.
Recording is started. Yeah, I have started recording. Then 2, then 4. So time is 2, and displacement is 4. Then for 3, it was 9. And for 4, it is 16. So graph goes like this. Is it a straight line?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Is it uniform velocity?
No.
No. Okay. Slope at, let's say, A, B, C and D. At A, B, C and D. Is it same?
No.
No. It is not same. Is it increasing?
Yes.
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 Sir.
So what about speed? Speed is
Speed
also
is increasing.
increasing. Okay. Had it been a graph like this is t and this is x.
Sir, we can't see.
Just hold on. Now it's a straight line. How will you find speed? This is the medium of doing homework. If you do homework, you will give an answer that find the slope. This is A, B, C. This will give me X. This will give me T. Or say delta X and
Yes.
delta T. Okay. So you will be finding slope, right? So slope, speed equal to slope, and that was going to be delta x by delta t. Now it is same at every point. So there is no issue. It is easy. But how will you do it? How will you find slope here? अगर मान लो कि अगर if I ask you find speed at B, that is t equal to 2 seconds, find speed. This is the question. How will you find?
Instantaneous speed.
Instantaneous speed, yeah, but how to find?
Decreasing
पहला
the
स्टेप अगर ग्राफ का यूज़ करना है तो फर्स्ट स्टेप, फर्स्ट प्रिपेयर टेबल, दिस इज योर फर्स्ट स्टेप. सेकंड, ड्रॉ ग्राफ. थर्ड स्टेप, ड्रॉ टेंजेंट एट बी. यहाँ पर एक टेंजेंट ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा आपको, ऐसा एक लाइन. फोर्थ स्टेप, फाइंड स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट and that is speed, and that's your answer. Okay. Now that's a long way out. If I don't want to do this, what shall be done? This is method 1. There is another method, method 2. Okay, what is that method 2? I'm holding it now. Problem is still the same, but I'm solving it with another method, and that method, I know x equal to t square, right? I want to find speed at t equal to 2 seconds, right or wrong?
right.
Right. So that means it is instantaneous speed we have to find. So instantaneous speed का फॉर्मूला है dx by dt, right? So I'll write d by dt of t square. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Now there is a rule. It is an important rule. It's an easy rule, and there is no need to cram. Just understand, right? Okay, what is that rule? I'll be going slow. Rule is, if you have got y equal to, let's say x equal to t raised to n, राइट। इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि वैल्यू ऑफ x डिपेंड्स अपॉन t, यस और नो। अभी ये पार्ट थोड़ी देर के लिए भूल जाओ, ओके, जस्ट फोकस ऑन दिस। यू हैव गॉट वन फॉर्मूला x इक्वल टू t रेज टू n, सीधा हिसाब, वैल्यू ऑफ x डिपेंड्स अपॉन t, राइट, okay. Now if I want to find how x varies with t, if that is the question, how to write dx by dt, and rule is, then answer is, first you write the power, then the quantity, and reduce the power by 1, n t n minus 1. That's it. I repeat, there is an important rule which is easy to follow. Right now you might be finding it is mind-boggling, but trust me, over the years I have found students becomes pro in using this formula. So don't panic. What is all this? I'm going to explain it in detail. So there is no need to cram any of this. Just understand that suppose you are given an equation x equal to t raised to n. I'm writing all the detail. Value of x depends upon t, and that means x varies with t. How exactly it varies? Take differentiation. So this is nothing but differentiation, dx by dt. Answer is n t n minus 1. Are you getting it? So far in this part, in this between two dotted
Yes.
line, you have got any question in this part? If
No,
not,
sir.
then I'll go forward. Okay. Then we had a formula here. V equal to d by dt t raised to 2, right? On other hand, we have dx by dt equal to n t n minus 1. If x equal to t raised to n होगा तो dx by dt क्या लिखेंगे? n t n minus 1. So let me write here also dx by dt. So looks identical. So therefore dx by dt equal to, here t raised to n, here t raised to 2. Okay, again I'm doing like this. You had x equal to t square and here x equal to t raised to n. Here dx by dt क्या लिखेंगे? n t n minus 1. now ये कहाँ से आया? How? There is no proof of this equation for you to study. Maths group student will be studying later on in calculus. For us, for all of us right now, how this formula has come, there is no derivation, it is not in the syllabus, nor you need to know. ये ऐसा है, we keep on using it. It's like that in your Activa, you apply the acceleration and your scooter moves fast. That's it. You apply the brake, it slows down. What happens inside, it is not our outlook. Same way here, if you take dx by dt, it becomes n t n minus 1. How it has become? Not our outlook. Okay, we want to have dx by dt here. So here, can you tell me what shall I write here? Instead of n, it is 2. So shall I write 2 here? Then t then it is n minus 1. So here I have to write 2 minus 1.
2 minus.
Now what is dx by dt? V. V equal to 2t. Okay, what was the question by the way? Question क्या था? धर्मेंद्र सर.
Find speed at 2 seconds.
Time is equal to 2 seconds.
2 seconds. धर्मेंद्र सर लोग आगे आपको तो उड़ी क्यों? Finds 2 seconds, right? So now here we got an answer that v equal to 2t. So at t equal to 2 seconds, I'll write v at t equal to 2 equal to 2 into 2. What is t? 2. 2 2s are 4. Answer is 4 meter per second. Okay. Okay. If I ask you question 2, find speed at A. A means t equal to 1. C, t equal to 3 seconds. If you have to deal with this graph, then you have to draw a tangent at A. What were the steps? You remember?
Prepare a table.
Prepare a table, okay.
Draw a graph.
Okay. So
Produce a tangent at
draw
A.
a graph, draw tangent, find slope, and that would be the speed. Long way out. How did you find method 2? Was it easy? Genuine answer will be no. It's not that easy,
Yes, sir.
right? Okay. Then let's see. तो उड़ उड़ करा क्लिप मारी हमको स्लो करना हो. At t equal to 1 second find करना is same formula I am using here. V equal to 2t. So V at t equal to 1, I'll write 2 into 1. Answer is 2 meter per second. Okay. Same I'll use here. V equal to 2t. कौन सा टाइम पे फाइंड करना है? 3 सेकेंड पर. सो इट इज़ 2 into 3. आंसर इज 6 meter per second. See
6 meter per second.
how quickly the answers are coming. Right? Now here you are getting rid of table. No need to prepare. Graph. No need to prepare. Finding slope. No need. All these tasks can be single-handedly managed by this formula. If x equal to t raised to n, dx by dt equal to n t n minus 1. अगर ये आ गया तो ये सब मगजमारी की ज़रूरत नहीं. One more example. Now your answer should change that which method is easy and which method is difficult. I am giving you a fresh problem and let's see how it goes. Let's say x equal to t cube. अपना ग्राफिकल मेथड हम यूज़ करें सपोज. तो कैसे आएगा? फर्स्ट स्टेप टेबल. This is t and this is x equal to t cube. 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. What shall I write here?
0.
0. 1 cube is?
1.
2 cube is?
8. 8.
3 cube is?
27.
27.
And this is?
64.
64.
The moment you look at this table, what comes to your mind? What about the speed? Is it steady or is it increasing?
Increasing.
It is increasing
Very fast.
very fast. Yeah, this is what I want from all students, that थोड़ा माइंडफुलनेस रखने का, कि पहले तो जो था ओल्ड टेबल उसमें 0 था, 1 था, 4 था, 9 था और 16 था. तो ऑब्जेक्ट वॉज इंक्रीजिंग स्पीड बट नॉट दैट रैपिडली, लेकिन यहाँ पर तो इज गोइंग वेरी फास्ट.
Yes.
Now look at the graph. It's not coming in screen also. Okay. Is it same?
Yes, sir.
ओके. सो फर्स्ट पॉइंट है 0 तो 0 था, 1 तो 1 ही था, 2 के टाइम पे था 8, सो लिटिल लेस देन 10, 3 then 27, so somewhere over here. 4 then 64, means somewhere over here. So ग्राफ ऐसा आएगा. Are you getting it? अभी मैं क्वेश्चन पूछूं.
Yes, sir.
Let's say again this is A, B and C. Find speed at A. A means t equal to 2 seconds. So standard practice is first you prepare the table. तो बनाया, second graph plot किया, third step draw a tangent and then find a slope. But if I don't want to do any of this stuff, I can use this formula. What was that formula? If x equal to t raised to n, dx by dt equal to n t n minus 1. अगर ये फार्मूला को मैं यूज़ कर लूँ, I'll get the answer quickly. ठीक है. So here in my case x was equal to t cube. था कि नहीं था? था. अभी dx by dt में लिखूँ तो can you tell based on your intuition that here it is n? What shall I write here?
3.
Then t n minus 1, 3 minus 1. So this dx by dt is v equal to 3t square. 3 minus 1 is 3t square. Now our answer at t equal to 2. Find करना है तो v. Somebody's mic is on, switch it off. Then 3 into 2 square. t square है ना, तो यहाँ 2 square डाल दो. 2 2 जा 4 और 4 3 जा 12 मीटर पर सेकेंड. Hello, do you follow?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Somebody changes the question at t equal to 3 seconds. Find the speed. Very simple now. V at t equal to 3 into 3 square. Answer straightway 27 meter per second. Now you tell me, graphical method is better or differentiation method is better?
Differentiation.
See, now your
Sir.
outlook got changed, because now you understand that this formula
Sir.
is not alien but is comprehensive formula, easy to comprehend, and you can immediately put it into use and get the answer in no time. Yeah, somebody was asking
Sir.
question.
सर हमने n3 क्यों लिया?
यहाँ पे 3 लिखा ना, ऐसा? हाँ,
Yes.
क्वेश्चन ये था कि if x equal to t cube, if position varies with time as x equal to t cube, find speed at a b c. तो ये आपको फॉर्मूला दिया गया था कि पोजीशन वेरी कर रहा है, तो कैसे? टी रेस टू क्यूब। पहले जो हमने सम किया था उसमें कैसा वेरी होता है? एक्स इक्वल टू टी स्क्वायर। सो ऑब्जेक्ट कैन मूव इन वेराइटी ऑफ वेज. इट वॉज वेरिंग and following this formula, previous one, and in this one position was varying with time according to this formula. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'm repeating this part quickly. Here we have taken a new example where position was depending upon time in a little different way. Standard practice.
Sir, what about attendance?
Wait, let me finish this topic and then I'll take. Thanks for reminding anyway. X equal to t cube. So prepare a table. The moment you prepare a table, you will come to know that object is traveling faster and faster. Acceleration value is high, and that becomes much clearer with this graph. If you want to find speed now at this point, when time was 2 seconds, one option is to draw a tangent and find a slope, which is very mind-boggling. Instead of that, if you use this formula, x equal to t raised to n, then its differentiation we call dx by dt is ntn minus 1. Then differentiation of x becomes dx by dt. Right side becomes ntn minus 1. So n is 3, t as it is. This is n3 minus 1. So answer becomes v equal to 3t square. Now if you want to find t equal to 2 seconds, then just put, instead of this t, put 2 square. You get an answer 12 meter per second in no time. And same way you can find, if you are asked to find velocity at b when time was 3 seconds, just in this formula put value of t as 3 and you get the answer. This what we have studied is called differentiation. What is it called?
Differentiation.
Differentiation.
And as I said, this formula you did not cram, it will automatically get, you will get used to it. It will be on the tip of your tongue as we practice today and in coming days. Okay. Now time to give your attendance. Where is attendance? You people have video recording, assign the assignment. Where is attendance page?
3rd July, sir.
3rd July?
Edited July 31st.
Okay, yeah, I got it. So I'll do one thing. I'll not take your attendance because somebody plays mischief. Just keep your cameras on, all of you. I'll start gallery view on my laptop. Video recording is going on and I'll be taking attendance with that. So make sure your screen is on.
No, but I can't do it.
Okay, make sure your name is visible clearly. Time is 9:00.
सर आप कैसे अटेंडेंस लोगे? 2 मिनट इंटरनेट खराब हुआ था.
नहीं अभी लिया ही नहीं, अभी ले रहा हूँ मैं. ओके सो रिकॉर्डिंग टाइम.
My camera is not working.
Not an issue. Your name should be seen. It is 32 minutes, right? Okay. So this is screen 1. Screen 2. Keep your faces smiling. Okay. We are 50. Okay, fine. Your attendance is taken, okay? Where we were? Here. So you have any problem with this part?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Now over to text. टेक्स्ट में ये जो पार्ट दिया गया है समझ में नहीं आता है, नॉट टू वरी. वॉट एवर आई हैव टॉट टुडे, इफ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड इट इज़ गुड इनफ. ओके, नाउ लुक एट एग्जांपल 3.2. Okay. We are left with 5 minutes, so let me give you homework. Note it down in your notebook. That example we can afford to do later on. You will write down this. I'll be putting this video recording on YouTube, but still. Okay. Then your job, homework, first question. For x equal to t square, for x equal to t cube, find speed at t equal to 2 seconds and t equal to 3 seconds. Okay, sir?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Did you
सर
note it?
सबमिट कहाँ पे करना?
Yes, sir.
I'll be sending assignment. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay.
So वहीं पे रिटर्न करना है. And one more variation I am teaching, so that will become homework again. Suppose x equal to 2t square is there. That's a 2t cube. And if I ask you find speed at t equal to 2, तो कैसे करेंगे? तो सेम रूल dx by dt
So
लेंगे.
then x is equal to 6t
6t
square.
square.
So d by dt of
Yeah. 6
instead of
into
x
4.
2t cube
24.
dx by dt is v. Now 2 is a constant. It doesn't depend upon time. So outside what is left in the bracket is t cube. Therefore v equal to 2. Now t cube differentiation is 3t3 minus 1. Right? There is multiplication here. So v equal to 6t square. Now the answer v at t equal to 2. So 6 into 2 square. So 6 4s are 24 meter per second. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
So that
Yes,
is
sir.
now third question. This is third for x equal to 2t cube. And fourth for x equal to t. Note it down, this question, this column, this box and this part. Fine, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay then. I'm not going any further. This example, you can give it a try, this example. Okay. If you do not follow, not to worry, I'll be explaining. But this homework is compulsory. This homework. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you have got 3 homework, monsoon assignment, and there was one more work, and today's homework. Okay? Shall I conclude the meeting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Goodbye, sir.
Goodbye.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye, sir.